Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Friday called upon journalists to remain conscious of the values they stand for and emphasized the importance of professional ethics in the media. He said journalists must examine whether governments truly work for the welfare of the last person in society and report with a sense of responsibility. Speaking at the 2025 annual awards ceremony organized by the Karnataka Media Academy at the banquet hall of Vidhana Soudha in Bengaluru, the Chief Minister presented awards to selected journalists and later addressed the gathering. Siddaramaiah said journalists should follow the ideals of Sarvodaya and Antyodaya, referring to the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi. He noted that despite India completing 75 years of independence, social inequality continues to persist. Recalling the views of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he said, freedom would have little meaning if such inequalities are not addressed. The Chief Minister also shared his personal habit of reading newspapers every day before beginning his official work, observing that print media still retains significant credibility. He added that he watches television only occasionally, expressing concern over what he described as a growing trend of speculative journalism. Siddaramaiah said the number of journalists committed to truth and research-based information must be greater than those spreading misinformation. He also urged media professionals to present facts objectively without being influenced by any group or ideology. Highlighting the rapid changes brought by new technologies, he said, journalists and the media industry must continuously upgrade their skills and adapt to emerging challenges. Salar English Digital Daily Chief Photographer Mohammad Asad receives the Karnataka Media Academy Award from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah at Vidhana Soudha in Bengaluru on Friday. With over 4 decades behind the lens, Asad has dedicated his career telling powerful stories through his camera. The event was chaired by Shivajinagar MLA Rizwan Arshad, Senior Literator Hampana, the Chief Minister's Media Advisor KV Prabhakar, Media Academy Chairperson Aisha Kanu, Information Department Commissioner Hemant Nimbalkar, the Drama Academy President Nagarjamurthy were those present at the program.